What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Sorry for the echo. I need to get some carpet and some stuff in here, but I just wanted to record the intro in my office. I got a lot of awesome stuff for Christmas. That is now my background. So I want to give you guys a little taste of it. But before we jump into today's video, I want to thank today's video sponsor, my awesome wife Emma, because she got me a new camera for Christmas and that's what we're recording this video on. Alrighty guys, you can see back there, this is a weird one for me, but I'm dropping the bug off at my cage guy's house. So I've never, the bug since I've owned it has not been out of my possession. It's been at my brother's house, but that's different. So this is wild. I'm actually like really a little bit nervous. I really trust the guy. Obviously, if I didn't trust the guy, I wouldn't be dropping it off and having him do an 850 cert cage. But here it is. So let me show you just a couple of things real quick. I have had some issues with the torsion bar cross member and T-case and stuff, which I haven't got footage, but I will get footage once I get the car back. So here's what we had to do. We got the seat mounted, just one bar on the back, and then we've got one bar up here just to space it off of the frame rail right there, to get it sloped backwards. So we got the seat mounted in here so that he knows where my arm bar needs to be, how much room, how much headroom I have and everything. Just had to get the seat mounted. So the transfer case of the 4L80, I will throw a picture up. It comes right here. In the picture it was sitting on top of this cross member and the torsion bar cross member. So I cut them for test fitting and then just welded in these bars just to get the car over here. Trust me, I'm not gonna leave it like that. That is just to get the car rolling because the torsion bar cross member side piece we're trying to just drop. So we got those bars welded in, got some ghetto body mounts you saw in the last video, and the bug is sitting how it's gonna sit. The T-case is gonna sit basically underneath my seat right there. But yeah, this is kind of crazy. It's a big moment. Like I said, the car's never been out of my possession, so we're dropping it off and hopefully we are going to see it next time, either getting caged or it will be fully caged the next time we see the bug. And we have only, let me pull it up real quick, 113 days till LS Fest West. So appreciate all the love and support. We are dropping the bug off and we are going to see it next time. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for a crazy 850 cert NHRA certified roll cage in the 4-wheel drive LS Swap Bug. Don't forget to stay hungry, stay humble, stay motivated. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.